Artificial intelligence (AI) has come a long way since its beginning, and one of the most significant contributors to its progression has been Google's Deepmind. Established in 2010, Deepmind is an AI research lab that has made groundbreaking strides within the self-learning field, known as reinforcement learning. This video explores how Deepmind's contributions have raised the field of self-learning to a new level. Understanding self-learning in AI. At first, we try to understand what self-learning or reinforcement learning is all about. It is an AI training method where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with its environment. Deepmind's work in this area has been nothing short of revolutionary. The rise of deep reinforcement learning. Now we will look into Deepmind's biggest achievement, which came in 2013, when they developed a model called Deep Q Network, DQN. This model was the first to combine deep learning with reinforcement learning, enabling AI agents to learn and excel at classic video games like Atari 2600. Deep reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that permits AI frameworks to memorize and act ideally in an environment by trial and error. In 2016, Deepmind's AlphaGo program defeated a world-winning Go player, which was a major breakthrough within the field of artificial intelligence. AlphaGo used profound learning and reinforcement learning to memorize to play Go at a superhuman level. DQN's ability to outperform human players in these games demonstrated the potential of deep reinforcement learning. AlphaGo defeating human champions. In 2016, Deepmind's AlphaGo made history by defeating the world winner Go player Lee Sedol in a 5-game match. Go, an ancient Chinese board game, is known for its unimaginable complexity, with more possible board positions than there are atoms in the universe. AlphaGo's triumph checked a noteworthy turning point in AI, illustrating how self-learning algorithms can handle immensely complex issues. AlphaGo's triumph over human champions has had a number of implications for the field of artificial intelligence. It has appeared that AI frameworks can presently compete with people at the most elevated levels of a complex game. AlphaZero generalizing to multiple games. Talk about taking it to the next level. Building upon the success of AlphaGo, Deepmind introduced AlphaZero in 2017. Not at all like its predecessor, AlphaZero was not restricted to just one game. It seemed to learn and achieve superhuman performance in numerous board games, including chess and shogi. What was remarkable was that AlphaZero learned these games with no prior human knowledge, depending exclusively on the rules of the game and self-play to improve. AlphaZero's ability to generalize numerous games could be a significant accomplishment. It appears that AI systems can learn to play modern games without being explicitly programmed. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we play games because it seems to permit us to make AI opponents that are able to play any game at a superhuman level. SimtoReal Transfer. One of the significant challenges in reinforcement learning is transferring knowledge from simulated environments to the real world. Deepmind handled this issue by introducing advancements in SimtoReal Transfer. This breakthrough permitted AI operators to memorize complex tasks in virtual simulations and then transfer their learning to real-world scenarios. This method has immense implications for robotics, autonomous vehicles, and other real-world applications of AI. SimtoReal Transfer features a number of advantages over conventional methods of training robots. To begin with, it is much cheaper to train a robot in simulation than it is to train it in the real world. Second, it is much more secure to train a robot in simulation, as there's no hazard of harm to the robot or to people. Third, SimtoReal Transfer can be utilized to train robots to perform tasks that would be difficult or impossible to train them to perform within the real world. AlphaStar mastering Starcraft 2. Just when we thought we could not improve any further in 2019, this happened to take place. Deepmind's AlphaStar made headlines by achieving Grandmaster level performance in the popular real-time strategy game Starcraft 2. This accomplishment was extraordinary as Starcraft 2 is a highly complex and dynamic game with imperfect information, making it a significant challenge for AI systems. AlphaStar's success in this domain showed the ability of self-learning systems to adapt and excel in real-time, unpredictable environments. Mozero learning without a model. Mozero is a reinforcement learning algorithm developed by Deepmind that can learn to play a variety of games without being unequivocally modified by the rules of the game. Mozero does this by learning a model of the game's state and, after that, using this model to plan its next move. Mozero is a significant development over previous reinforcement learning algorithms, as it can learn to play games that are much more complex than those previous algorithms could learn. For instance, Mozero has been able to memorize to play Atari games, Go, and chess, all without being expressly modified with the rules of the game. Mozero works by first learning a model of the game state. This show could be a statistical representation of the game state, and it captures the likelihood of different outcomes given the current state of the game. Mozero, at that point, uses this model to plan its next move. It does this by considering all of the conceivable moves that it may make, and after that, assessing each move based on the probability of that move leading to a win. Ethics and safety in AI. With the rapid advancements in self-learning AI, Deepmind also recognized the need for ethical considerations and safety measures. The lab has been actively involved in AI ethics research and has advocated for responsible AI development to avoid potentially harmful consequences. The company incorporates a number of ethics and safety principles that direct its work. AI ought to be utilized for good. Deepmind believes that AI ought to be utilized to benefit humanity and not hurt it. AI should be made explainable. Deepmind accepts that individuals should be able to understand how AI frameworks work so that they can be held responsible for their actions. AI should be safe and reliable. Deepmind believes that AI frameworks should be designed to be safe and reliable so that they don't pose a chance to people or the environment. AI ought to be inclusive. Deepmind believes that AI frameworks should be designed to be inclusive so that they advantage everybody, not just a select few. Google's AI lab, Deepmind, has undeniably progressed the field of self-learning to an exceptional level. From mastering complex board games to real-time strategy games and understanding complex real-world problems, Deepmind's contributions have reimagined what AI can accomplish. It is pivotal to balance the remarkable potential of self-learning AI with moral considerations and responsible development, guaranteeing that AI proceeds to serve as a force for greatness within the world. Thank you. For more videos like this, follow our channel. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe.